Hey guys, it's Kuya Jam here and welcome back to my channel. And today, mag-unbox tayo and mag-hands-on ng isang bagong product na sinend sa akin ni Global Gears. So nakikita nyo naman dito, it's a smart Wi-Fi LED rope light. So kung mapapansin nyo, I have the green colors in here. Also dito sa ilalim is violet. So it's all LED rope light or LED strips. And ito medyo unique to kasi hindi to basta-basta LED strips. This one is actually connected via Wi-Fi, and not just that, pwede nyo pa siyang gamitin using Alexa or Google Assistant. So I have a Google Assistant speaker dito sa likod. It's a Marshall speaker. You could check out my unboxing before ng speaker na yun. But yeah, this is a smart Wi-Fi LED rope light. So it's actually available right now at Shopee from Global Gears. So nakikita nyo doon sa likod. But unfortunately, right now, as of this recording, nasa enhanced community quarantine tayo. So I'm not sure if you can buy it right now. But this one is priced at 1,750 pesos. And isa sa mga unique things about dito sa LED strip na to is that this one is actually IP65 waterproof na rating. So basically, pwede nyo siyang gamitin sa labas if you wanted to. But in my case, dito lang siya sa likod. Papalitan ko yung LED strip ko dito sa likod ng table ko. Papalitan ko with this one. As this one is connected sa ating application na we already downloaded dito sa ating iPhone. But of course, meron din siyang Android application. And you could check out the app mamaya sa loob. So, ano pa ba inaantay natin? I-unbox na natin and alamin ko ano ba nasa loob ng box na to. Yan. So guys, we got here the 5 meters LED flexible strips. Nakikita nyo, it's actually 12 volts, fine. 1 meter is 12 watts, blah 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 wattage. And this one is actually 5 meters. Mamaya, bubuksan natin siya na alamin ko ano bang special dito sa LED strip na to. Then of course, we got here the plug. So this one, or the AC adapter rather, so this one has an output of 12 volts 2 amperes. Okay, not bad na 12 volts 2 amperes. Basically, it's a simple one AC adapter. And of course, meron tayong ditong LED controller. So basically, this is the controller. So sa end ng ating LED strip, ko-connect natin to. Yan. So this one has 5 pins. Nakikita nyo, 5 holes dyan yung kakabit natin yung mga pins. Then dito yung AC adapter. Basically dito yung connection niya sa Wi-Fi. Meron tayong Wi-Fi controller dito. Basically this is the one na nagko-control dun sa LED strip nyo. If you're familiar with electronics, ito yung controller. Basically this is the controller. And of course meron pa rin tayo dito power button if you want to manually turn on, turn off itong ating Wi-Fi controller. Of course, meron tayo dito manual. So yan, manual. And of course, meron din tayo ng QR code na Smart Life app if you want to download the application already. In my case, I've already downloaded it. And of course, nandito yung ating instructions on how to connect doon sa ating application. And also, yung mga register and basically everything that you need dito sa Smart Wi-Fi na LED strip. Bukod dun sa kasamang controller, meron pa tayo dito mga kasamang mga pins. So meron, nakikita nyo dito, medyo maliit lang siya. It's actually a pin na 5 pins na ikakabit natin dun sa controller. Yan dito. So dahil 5 pins yun nandito, 5 pins sa controller. And on the other side, ikakabit naman natin dun yung ating LED strip na bubuksan na natin ngayon. Yan. So I have the LED strip over here. It's 5 meters. Nakikita nyo, may coating siya. The coating is really good. It's parang siyang, alam niyo yung sa glue gun, parang gano'n. So may protection siya against mga tubig or whatever. And then of course sa likod meron tayong 3M adhesive dito. And when it comes sa adhesive, of course, ang kilala na brand talaga dyan is 3M. So ikakabit lang natin to dito. Yan. So be sure na may arrow siya dito. I-connect niya yung arrow na yon dito sa arrow dito. So, kailangan nasa same side yung arrow. Then, connect. Then, automatically yan. So, ganyan na yan. Then, after that, ikakabit naman natin itong ating AC adapter. Yan. So, na-connect na natin AC adapter natin. And nakikita nyo dito is the LED strips. And what I like about it is that each LED dito is actually RGB, unlike other LED strips na parang isa dito, isang LED is red, isang LED is green, isang LED is blue. So this one is already RGB. I think this is even this is RGBW. So yeah, I think mas maganda siya. Let's wait for the yellow. Yeah, I'm not sure if this has a separate LED for yellow, but what I like about it again is isang LED, multiple colors na siya. Unlike the LED strip that I'm using dito, isang LED is isang color lang. So yeah, nakita nyo is nakakonect siya sa controller. We got here the LED strip. Nag-iiba-iba yung kulay niya para Christmas light. By pressing the power button, ayan, nag-iiba-iba yung setting niya. So ito is a simple yellow. Ito blue. This is green na nag-fade. I am not sure, but there are also other effects na pwede dito. So yeah, this is really cool. So ngayon naman, i-discover natin kung paano i-set up itong LED strip na to dito sa ating application. Alright guys, so we've connected the RGB LED strip dito sa ating application. Nakikita nyo dito, it's connected now. So done. Makikita natin if pwede ba natin siya ma-connect with our application, if flawless nga ba siya, and hopefully ma-connect ko siya sa Google Assistant. So I have the button in here. Okay, so I can actually control the lights in here. So makikita nyo dito, even the color, ayan. So I have here the LED strip. Then currently it's red. I can control it to green, to blue, or to violet if I wanted to. And of course, pwede ko rin i-control yung brightness niya dito. Yan. So, the color is actually, saturation niya is nako-control din dito. So, this is a really cool application and a really cool LED strip na 5 meters siya. Yes, it's 1,750 pesos, but the quality that you're getting in here is really good. Meron pa tayong Wi-Fi connection dito, and discover pa natin yung madi-discover natin sa application na to. So, meron din tayong different scenes dito. Meron tayong reading, meron din party if you want. So, hawakan ko na lang siya dito. Then, of course, meron tayong leisure. So, pwede ka mag-create ng sarili mong scene. Depende kung anong gusto mo dito na gawin. So, meron ding rainbow, meron ding shine, gorgeous. So, meron tayong iba-iba. Katulad na ito, medyo iba-iba yung kulay. So, maybe papalitan ko ng LED strip ko dito sa likod na to. I would actually use this one instead kasi mas maganda siya. And number 2, mas gusto ko yung Wi-Fi connected. And if I wanted to, I can actually extend this one as meron pa tayo ditong extension. Makikita nyo, meron pa tayo isa dito na pwedeng pagsaksakan ng pins if I wanted to. So, bibili pa ako ng isa pang strip and then i-connect ko siya dito para may full control na ako through Wi-Fi ng XS Wi-Fi RGBW na itong LED strip na to. So, it's really cool. So, here's the best part about this Wi-Fi light. So, I can connect it to my Google account, and actually I've connected it already using the Google Home application, and I have my speaker here at the back. It supports Google Assistant, so I can just say, okay Google, turn on the light.
Okay, turning on the light.
You see, I can turn on the lights using Google Voice, Google Assistant rather. It's a really interesting feature, and ito yung feature na wala dun sa ibang LED strip. So yeah, again, the LED strip is now available at Global Gear sa Shopee. It's 1,750 pesos. You can use it outside or inside. It comes with a Wi-Fi controller. Unfortunately, the Wi-Fi controller is 5 pins. Hindi niyo siya magagamit sa iba na LED strip na merong 4 pins only. But yeah, this is really interesting. If you want to buy it, Shopee guys. So yeah, I guess that's it for our video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now is the time to subscribe. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching. See you guys again sa susunod na video.